The North American X-15 is the world's fastest plane. At 4,520 miles per hour, 7,274 kilometers per hour, a hypersonic rocket-powered aircraft set a world record for the fastest speed ever achieved by a manned aircraft. Test pilots such as Neil Armstrong and Joe Engle flew it. The North American X-15 was created using cutting-edge aeronautical engineering and technology. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, the United States Air Force, USAF, and North American Aviation collaborated on the project, NAA. The X-15 was made of alloys that could withstand high temperatures and pressures, such as Inconel X and stainless steel. The aircraft's airframe was designed to be lightweight yet strong, and it was powered by a rocket engine that used a combination of liquid oxygen and aniline as propellants. It also had advanced avionics, such as an inertial navigation system and a guidance and control system for controlling the aircraft during its high-speed flight. It was designed for high-speed and high-altitude flight, and it was launched at high altitude from the wing of a B-52 bomber, then ignited its rocket engine to reach high speeds and altitudes. Due to the high altitude and speed, it was flown by a pilot wearing a pressurized suit. The North American X-15 was created by the United States government as a collaboration between NASA, the United States Air Force, USAF, and North American Aviation, NAA. Because the X-15 program was a research program, the plane was used for research and development purposes by the United States government, specifically to gather data on high-speed, high-altitude flight and to test new technologies such as rocket propulsion and advanced avionics. It was primarily flown by pilots from the United States Air Force, but NASA also used the data gathered by the X-15 program to aid in the development of the space program, with the X-15 serving as a precursor to the Space Shuttle program. The North American X-15 aircraft was developed beginning in the mid-1950s, with the first flight taking place on September 8, 1959. The X-15 program operated from 1959 to 1968, with a total of 199 flights completed. On October 3, 1967, William J. Knight flew at a top speed of 4,520 miles per hour, 7,274 kilometers per hour, and at an altitude of 354,200 feet, 107,960 meters. The program was officially terminated in 1968, but the data and knowledge gathered during the program were used to develop other aircraft and space vehicles. The cost of the North American X-15 program has not been made public, but it was a costly and ambitious project. During the Cold War, the X-15 program was part of a larger effort by the U.S. government to develop advanced aircraft and space technology. The program received funding from a variety of government agencies, including the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, and the United States Air Force, USAF, as well as private companies such as North American Aviation, NAA, and Reaction Motors. But given the advanced technology and materials used in the aircraft construction, as well as the extensive research and development required, the program's cost is likely to have been high.